Today we will be discussing something that really surprises me actually, that people are still looking for a free article generator, but more specifically, they are looking for something that is best free article generator. I noticed something here on Quora, for example, they want best free and unique article generator, but again, with the advent of so many AI models like ChatGPT 4o, Claude, Google Gemini Pro, people still are looking for something that does a great job in terms of generating an article, right? It got me thinking, what does it mean? What are they looking for actually that it's missing? So they want a best free unique article generator. Let's take word by word. They want the best generator, which mainly means they want something that is like no other tools out there, right? They want it for free, which very simply means they want something that costs no money. They want it unique. By unique, I think what they mean is something that not just generates an article, but writes it like you would write it. And generator means that it should be writing it with no effort, right? Just a click, press a button, and writes the article. And guess what? I made it for you. I built this article generator for you. It's the best because it's also SEO friendly. Actually, I made it also SEO friendly. It's free. It costs no money. It writes like you. That's thanks to the prompt that I gave it. And it just does it with no effort. All you have to do is add your targeted keyword and it takes it from there and writes the article for you. Let's look at it. So first of all, I'll show you what the result looks like. So all you have to do, for example, it's add the long tail keyword and click on run. And then this is what the result looks like. It gives you the introduction, gives you each section, each paragraph. It gives you the conclusion in here, right, of this article. And it also gives you an SEO friendly article title, meta description, and slug URL. All you have to do then is just add this on WordPress or on any other platform you're using. And remember, if you can also automate this with PromptMate because we are using Zapier for integrations also. We have the ability for you to integrate PromptMate into your Zapier workflows, which means that when you can do something like anytime you run this, the articles goes straight to your WordPress draft articles, right? Let me tell you what it looks like from the inside of the workflow. First of all, you add the input. It takes the input, which is the long tail keyword. All you have to do is add the long tail keyword. Then the first prompt, what it does, it uses the Google Organic SERPs data extended that we have to go with the keyword and look at Google search results for that specific keyword and creates a blog outline that it's better than the Google search results. And that's what makes it unique. That's what makes it best, I would say, right? And then based on that outline, right, starts writing the article, writes the introduction and then each paragraph based on that outline. And then the prompt, it's also very special because it asks that the paragraph should be written in first person, speaking from your POV, by your own first-hand experience. It says maximum of 200 words. You can change this if you want. You can make it longer. The writing must be shaped in the form of a conversation, which makes it very nicely written, and must contain value and knowledge in them. Must also be SEO friendly and include the target keyword, which makes it SEO friendly, which is amazing. And avoid generic openings such as hey there, when I first, etc. So respect every instruction I gave you strictly. So it has the targeted keyword and each section of the outline, right? So all of them are using ChatGPT 4o Mini, which makes it free. As you can see, it only costs 10 credits to run. You have 100 credits for free with PromptMate, which means we have a best free, unique, SEO friendly article generator, and it looks at Google SERPs. No other article generator can go and look at Google results before writing an article. We can also try this live if you like. All you have to do is go to the template. You will find the link below this video in the description. All you have to do is click use template. Let's say the keyword is 10 best tools for graphic designers and click run. And here we have it. The article has been written. As you can see, it mentions the keyword to make it SEO friendly. It never starts with a hey there or whatever. It says navigating. Let's dive into with what graphic tools really are. Let me tell you. Let me share something. During my journey, it gives you also an SEO friendly article title, as we said, a meta description and a slug URL, and it mentions the tools, right? And all of this has been done by looking at Google results for this targeted keyword and doing something better out of it. Like many articles might be focusing just writing a paragraph for each tool, but what this this does, it also gives some technical aspects, like for example, the importance of hardware, graphic tablets, essential accessories, etc. Keep in mind that this is PromptMate, right? So PromptMate can be also incredibly powerful if you want it to, because it has the ability to bulk process, which means I'll show you right away. All you have to do is run in the app, but instead of running it on a single input, all you have to do is click switch to CSV input, and in this case you would have to drop or upload basically this CSV file that has just one column titled long tail keyword, and you can also download a template here, right? That gives you right away the CSV, and then all you have to do is write these keywords and then upload it in here and click run bulk. It will generate for you 20 articles. That's the power of PromptMate. But for this specific purpose, it just uses 10 credit to write an article, which makes it free, unique, best, SEO friendly, all you want as an article generator. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.